Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, it's pretty dark. It's starting to get dark. I'm on a scooter, and look guys, we have a freezer. Looky here. We got a freezer on the trash. Ooh, what's this white thing here? What is this? Another washing machine on the side of the road. Looky here. Let's see. The GE. On the side of the road. That all sounds normal. Huh. So model number GTW680BSJ4WS. Huh. GE washer on the side of the road, along with a refrigerator, it looks like. Something like that. Some type of freezer or refrigerator, and a washing machine as well. But oh, what's that down there? Look in the very middle, guys. What is that over there? Let's go look. Could I see something else? Do you guys? Let's go find out. There's something else. There's something else over here. See, I'm on my scooter, just going, you know, on my scooter, and there's something else here. Oh, what is this? And a dryer. We have a dryer too, guys. We have a freezer or a refrigerator or something, a washing machine, and a dryer with the cord. Wow. Ooh, it's a Maytag. Bravos. Guys, I actually think this is the matching dryer for a washer that I have in my garage right now. I don't think I have it on the channel, but it's a matching dryer for the MEDX655DW1 or the 0 version. But yeah, I think this is the matching dryer. The handle's broken on it. Yeah, we got a dryer too. With the cord? Wow. That's insane, you guys. We have a dryer too. Wow. Car. But wow, guys, we have a dryer. What's the model number? I never looked at the model number. Ow. MEDX655DW1. Guys, this is the matching dryer. This is the matching dryer for the MEDX655DW0 or 1. This is the matching dryer. This is the matching dryer for it right here. It's insane. So we have a dryer. We have a dryer, guys. And if we go back over here, my brakes don't work on my scooter very well. And we have a dryer, a washing machine, and a freezer, you guys. 3 in 1 video. So, just want to make a quick video on showing you guys this right here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. So, that's pretty much it. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like these right here. 3 in 1 video. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, guys. Peace out.